In this video, I'm going to talk about how I carry my planner. I'm going to show you how it looks to carry a classic size planner and how it looks to carry a compact size planner. In this video, I'm going to show you how it looks when I place these planners in my tote bag and backpack. This information can be helpful to some people when they're trying to choose which size planner to get. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on functional planning, organization, and small business. Hi. All of the items shown in this video can be found by expanding the description area underneath the video and clicking on the links. Also, you can save money on the franklinplanner.ca website by using discount promo code TONYAPLANS. So as you can see, this video is different than the normal videos I do. I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. I'm actually in the room over my garage, and I thought I'd give you like a body shot of me so you can see how the planner looks and maybe kind of compare it to your own body size. I am 5'6", 155 pounds, so that will kind of give you an idea to gauge like where you are and maybe to kind of think about how the planner will look when you carry it. So let's start with how the planner will look if you are carrying the classic size planner. This is the classic size Gingham Farm planner that I absolutely love. It's black with some light gray and some white. And I absolutely love this because I feel that it looks very professional at work, but at the same time it's very much different than what everyone else has. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of model how the planner looks. So like if you pick your planner up and you take it to a meeting, this is about how the size and everything will look. So I'm just going to do some little poses to kind of show you how the planner looks holding it in your arms, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the compact size, but this is the classic size. Now just to talk a little bit while I'm doing this, with my planner, one of the places that I typically take my planner is to team meetings. So if we have a meeting, I grab my planner, where most people I've noticed grab like a pad and paper. Some people will have a notebook, but a lot of people don't take planners to meetings. And I really find it's beneficial to take paper planners to meetings because I can't tell you how many times we've been in a business meeting and nobody has a calendar. And we're talking about different dates and stuff like that. And I can turn, because I have a calendar with me, I can turn to that date and say, oh wait, did you realize that we had, I don't know, an upgrade that same week? Or I can bring up things that other people cannot. So it's very beneficial to have a planner with you in the meeting. Also, I think it gives my manager and others, I feel it's very professional looking. It feels like I am going to really get things done, because I think that, and my manager has never said this, but I feel my manager feels that when he gives me, I happen to work for a man, when he gives me something to do, he knows it's going to get done and not forgotten, as opposed to other people who may just write their notes down on a regular piece of paper, get back to their desk, and just never look at it again. It goes in my planner, and I can actually put due dates in my planner while the meeting is going on. Now, just to take a minute, I'm going to grab the compact size. Now, suppose, like, I don't know if people do this. Nobody that I work with does this, but let's say you prefer cell phones. I hear that a lot from my son. He's like, oh, I'll do all my planning on my cell phone. Well, when you're in a business meeting, me personally, I don't think it looks professional to be on your cell phone while in a business meeting. Now, if you have to look up something really quick, you know, that's just fine. Let me just give you a close-up of this. This is the compact size planner Love. It is just gorgeous. But like to take notes and look at your phone, I don't know, it's like a connotation like, man, that person seems like they're playing around on their phone during the meeting. Whereas with a planner, they know I'm not playing around, and the notes that I'm writing in my planner are business and work related. So I really like that. So this is how The compact size look is nice and it's much lighter, the classic size here, but that's partly because they have different ring sizes. The compact size here has a 1-inch ring size, and my classic size has a 1.2-inch ring size. And what that means is I can put more papers in this classic size planner, so of course it will be a little heavier, but nothing that I don't mind. If you haven't seen my video, I'll put it in the upper right hand corner on why I switch planner sizes, but I am currently carrying the classic size planner and I absolutely love it. So again, this is the compact size. I think it's probably less noticeable. So if you're the type of person, you're like, look, I'm a minimalist and I don't like a whole lot of attention brought to me, maybe this is the one you want to go to. Maybe you want to choose the classic size. I am very, I don't like a lot of attention drawn to myself either, which part of the reason why when I did decide to go up to the classic size, I got this design. This stuck out a little bit more to me, and I'm really conservative, and I think this looks more professional at work, but I love this as well because it is absolutely gorgeous. And if you like that pink and green and all that, this is absolutely gorgeous. This I really, really like because I feel it's different, but it's not as glaring as the green and pink combination over here on the Planner Love binder. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the tote bags, well just a couple of tote bags that I take to work, so you can kind of see how these planners will look in your tote bag or look in your purse for that matter, and that may help you make a decision as well. Okay, this is the tote that I am carrying today. This is actually called a Vera Bradley Hadley tote, and it is cotton. And I tend to gravitate toward lightweight tote bags because I know that I'm going to be carrying my planner, which will have some weight. So I used to carry a lot of leather bags, but I've moved away from that. I moved away from a lot of leather, although I just love, love, love leather. I love the smell of it. I love the look of it. It's so professional. I love it. But to keep things light, I use a cotton tote bag. And this just happens to be the one that I'm carrying today. So when I put my planner in my tote bag, so this is a classic size, this is the size I'm carrying now, I always put it this way up. Not like this in the bag, but like this. Not that I'm afraid that anything is going to fall out, because I find that the strap binders are very, very secure. I know some people only like zippered binders, and that's a preference. But I found with the strap binders, like the one I'm carrying, there are so many more options for designs. So with the zipper planners, they're great, but there just aren't many options. They're normally very limited on what you can choose from. So when I took the leap to strap binders, I loved it and I haven't looked back. But as you can see, this is the way my binder is turned up in the bag. Now the reason I do that, and hopefully you can see that because I can't really see what the camera sees while I'm holding this up. Now the reason I do that is because when I want to look at something, I just lift this strap and I can thumb through my pages and actually read a little bit without taking my whole planner out. So that's why I love for it to be stuck up like this. Also, when there are pins in the pin loop, if I need to grab a pen, guess what? The pen is right there. I don't have to take the planner out, turn it over, and get my ink pen. So that's all right there. So let me just quickly talk about what's in my tote bag. I know some people do videos on that type of thing. I have some gloves in here. I have a Vera Bradley mini umbrella in case it rains. And I keep the umbrella over here in the side pouch. In the other side pouch, I keep my cell phone. And I like these pockets. They're deep so that in general, things do not fall out of them. Even if I bend over, my cell phone won't fall out. If I get a phone call while I'm out and about, all I gotta do is reach in the back here, grab it, take it out, answer it. So I really like the convenience of that. Although this bag does come with a zipper right here in the front, I typically don't use it. I like the convenience of an open pocket so I can just get my cell phone. So some of the other things that I carry, and this is the main thing that I wanted to talk about. When I go to the store, I do not carry all of this. I don't bring my planner. I don't bring this tote bag. I go light. This is a carry-all. It's a Vera Bradley carry-all, and I love these. I have these in a few different patterns, and I'm sorry, I'm not the type of person that match my wallet with my bag. I know some of you ladies do. I just get what I like. So if I like a pattern, I get it. So this, I love this because this is the only thing I take in the store. If I go to the store, I lock these things in my car and I take my wallet with me. And it has this lovely strap, so I'm traveling light, my hands are free, and I have everything I need right here to pay for something. So with this, I can put my cell phone here in this flap. And I have two compartments. I have compartments for cards and cash with this wallet, but I absolutely love it. There's a little change purse thing in here. I love it, love it, love it. And it keeps everything lightweight, and I don't have to carry all this. Now, when I do go to the grocery store, if you watch my previous videos, you know this, but I keep a running grocery list here on my planner dashboard. So I will lift this Post-it note off and take it with me in the store. So I just have my Post-it note and this carry-all is great. The strap is adjustable. I can wear it cross here if I want. I can make it shorter. I can make it longer. I can do what I want with it, but I love this. So just to quickly go over some of the other things that are in my purse, I keep some Listerine in my purse in case I need to freshen up my breath. I have some oil blotter sheets and some lens wipes because I wear glasses and I never know when I need to clean my glasses. I have an earphone pouch, and I carry some tissues because I have allergies and my nose runs at the craziest times. And I have a pencil and pen highlighter pouch. So this is where I get my highlighters from when I have time to do some highlighting or use different colors in my planner. This tote bag also has a zip top closure, and as you can see, even though my planner is in here, I can still zip this, and it's still very much portable. So if I'm on my way to work, I can also throw my lunch in here as well. So when I put this on, I apologize, I know you can't probably see the bottom of this bag, but it's very, very comfortable. My hands are free, and I have my planner and everything I need here when I go to work. Now, this is how it looks from the front. Again, I know you probably can't see the bottom, but it's a very, very comfortable thing for me. And one of the best things I've done is switch to a cotton bag because I used to carry leather bags. Now I'm going to show you how the compact size planner looks in my bag. Now, I really have a bunch of room from this. And I'm also going to insert a picture so you guys can see exactly how these planners look in the tote bag. But there's so much room in there. So with either planner, my point is with either one, they're totally portable. I can totally take this wherever I need to take it. My bag is certainly big enough for that, and there's plenty of room for other things. So next I want to show you how the planners look lying on your desk. This will be really quick. But let's say you have the compact size and it's lying on your desk. So it looks like that. Now if you have the classic size lying on your desk, looks like that. Next, I want to show you how the planners will look in a smaller style purse, such as this. This is called a Vera Bradley Ella purse, and it's actually leather. And I feel this is one of the best styles that you can get for a purse. Anything shaped like this will work as far as something to put your planner in. I think this is the best shape to have. So although this is a smaller style purse, I am going to put the classic size planner in here. And there's still plenty of room in here. And just to give you an idea, this is how much room is on the bottom of this purse, so that leaves plenty of room for you to put other items in here. This is the compact size, and it looks like that. Now, it zips fine, and this is how it will look when I wear it on my shoulder. And lastly, I want to show you how the planners will look in a mini backpack. A lot of ladies are carrying mini backpacks as opposed to purses nowadays. It's like a fashion thing. So this is a Vera Bradley, Holland Garden, as you can see, a clear black backpack. I like the idea of a clear backpack. My husband used to be in law enforcement before his kidney transplant, and he said when people see people with backpacks, they are suspicious of them maybe shoplifting. So I deliberately wanted a see-through backpack such as this, and as you can see, this is the classic size, and it fits in this mini backpack. So it looks like this if I throw it across my shoulder. And this is how it looks from the front, but totally very, very portable, and they fit. So if both of them fit, the compact will obviously fit by itself, but both planners are in here in this mini backpack, and this is how it looks in the back. But I'm just giving you ideas to show you that it's totally easy to port a ring-bound planner. And ring-bound planners, I love, love, love them because you can customize the pages in them. You can put whatever type of planner pages you want in your planner. You can even make your own planner inserts. That's what I love about ring-bound planners. I'm not stuck with one type of planner format all year either. I can switch and change as much as I like. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and also please put in the comments ways that you carry your planner, because people look at these videos and they're looking for ideas on different things they can do with their planner. So if you carry your planner in a way that wasn't shown here in this video, please let us know in the comments, because we would love, love, love to hear from you. Please be sure to like this video. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.